Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Supercell account if it has been banned. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up any Supercell game on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the menu icon and then tap on Settings. Once you find the Help and Support button, go ahead and tap on it, and tap on the chat icon at the top right corner, which will show you the Leave a Message option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be asked a few questions before you are allowed to enter your own message. Make sure to choose Banned Accounts and then select the option which says that you wish to unban a different ID than the one that you are contacting from. Once you are asked to enter the player ID, just type in the player ID of the account that you wish to recover and tap on the Send button. The support team will then calculate and analyze whether you are eligible to have your account reinstated. Once the evaluation is completed, your account will be reactivated and you will get a notification within your email. After you receive this notification, you can try logging back into your Supercell account and you will successfully be able to recover your old ID. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to recover your Supercell account if it has been banned. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.